This is the next stage in my development of a cheap FPV plane. The previous version used a Micro MinimOSD with an attached GPS running MicroWii firmware to provide OSD information as I flew the plane. This version of the plane I've upgraded by adding an Omnibus F4 Pro autopilot with an upgraded GPS and camera. The first attempt at maidening the plane ended badly when the motor seized, causing the autopilot to power fail. The plane then promptly went into a 45-degree dive into the farmer's dam adjacent to the strip. As it turns out, crashing into the dam was something of a blessing. The damage to the airframe was non-existent, and the extent of the loss was limited to a camera which broke away on impact. The following sequence shows the boot messages when the autopilot starts up running Arduplane. Once the boot sequence is completed, I arm the autopilot using the rudder stick and proceed out to the pilot's box to discover that the wind had picked up since I arrived. I should have cancelled the test flight at that stage, but I decided to go anyway, and barely got the plane back. Thankfully, the stabilise function saved the day. Unfortunately, I lost the second half of the video when the SD card in the video recorder ejected before the second half of the flight was recorded. Enjoy. The effect of switching to stabilise is immediately obvious. More testing required.